When nature began shaping this world, it started with a blank canvas. It just needed time, invention, intention, and freedom. Then came 300,000 years of humanity. From pyramids to prefab. And what have we created? As kids, we were told we could build anything. But somewhere, we stopped believing. Why follow someone else's template? Why build the same thing over and over again? Coral is more than a tool. It's a platform for a more creative future, without templates. A factory that moves. A lab that never sleeps. A codebase that evolves. The next era won't be built by a few. It will be built by everyone.